Hola amigos, Hannah from Speak Better Spanish here. Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about building your Spanish learning goals. So studies on habit formation have shown that small, repeatable actions are far more effective than the occasional intense effort. So the biggest mistake that I see with Spanish speakers who are self-learning is to aim for an ideal routine instead of something that's sustainable for you. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I always say progress over perfection. So a good Spanish learning habit will fit into your existing life with all of the craziness, with all of the busyness, with all the things you have going on, instead of competing with it or waiting for the perfect ideal moment. So that might look like listening while driving, reviewing vocabulary while waiting in line, or watching one short video instead of a full episode. So the goal isn't to do everything right away, it's to show up regularly. That's where you'll start to see the progress. You can check out the blog linked below with more tips and sample weekly routines for busy professionals and travelers to help you with your Spanish learning goals.